YouTube, we are back at it again with another every haircut challenge. In this video today, we show you barbers that have to cut every single head in their clientele. All right, in their day, they have to show all the clients that they cut. So today we got Dre, and let me tell you something about Dre. He been throwing lightweight shots, you know what I mean? He ain't really been throwing no shots, but he been dry, like silently throwing shots, you know what I mean? He ain't been silently throwing shots, but he been like lightweight, just like acting all nonchalant, like he can just, you know what I mean? Like it ain't nothing, like this challenge is real small. Matter of fact, play the clip. Oh no, listen, he deleted it. Oh wow, Dre. I looked in my phone, went under his Instagram. He deleted it. Wow. Well, this is what he said. I'll do your little challenge. He called it a little challenge. Wow, Dre, you deleted it. Wow. Y'all see how he acting? That's what I'm talking about. That's the little kind of slide shots that I'm talking about. So today, we got Dre, and we about to see his every haircut challenge. So without further ado, stay tuned. Listen, today, we ain't playing with Dre. I don't want to hear nothing about what he got to say. This challenge right here, this challenge ain't no joke. So all that stuff he talking ain't nothing but smoke. So when he talk, I hope he clear it up, and I hope he don't choke. Do you hear the words that are coming out of my mouth? I already spoke. See, this challenge right here, we gonna have to change his name to Kirk, because all that jibber japping he was doing earlier, he about to realize today, the every haircut challenge, this right here, is work. I had to throw a couple of bars on Dre real quick. Let's get into it, man. Let's not waste any more of those fake bars. All right, let's get into it. Let's go.
There's no explanation needed. I said some things I shouldn't have said.
Oh yeah, true.
Okay, the cuts could have been better.
I put myself in a predicament I didn't want to be in.
Okay. He's admitting it. Sitting here acting like that. Dre can get it too. I'm calling Dre out.
And now here's my every haircut challenge.
Do it right. Let's go. First one. We got some straight hair in the building, man. All right, Dre. I'm just sitting back right now. You might get it the worst, Dre. You might get it the worst. I'm just sitting back right now. I ain't even gonna sit up. I'm just sit back. Hey, this blend is coming out nice though. All right, Dre. Okay. I thought you was worse. Okay. All right.
The next cut is super simple, just a one on the sides. He wants to maintain some of the length on top. We're going to take a little bit of the weight out of the, like around the ridge, and that's pretty much it. I mean, with this every haircut challenge, you're not going to get the cool cuts, you know what I mean, for every cut. You got guys like my man Dwayne here who, you know, just want to get cleaned up, man. They want to look fresh for the weekend, and you know what I'm saying?
Hey Dre, one thing I don't. One thing, I don't need no explanations, man.
So with recording, I noticed that I started to do like one side and then the other side. Just so I can complete it and then see what it looks like on the camera and then go to the other side. And then try to marry everything in the middle when I get to the back. So right now I'm just trying to knock out the little light taper. Nothing too crazy.
You see how he talking? Nothing too crazy. You know what I mean? Trying to, you know what I mean?
Yeah, still trying to get used
nothing
to
too crazy. You know, nothing too,
angles.
you know, I ain't trying to hear that, Dre.
Like half of the video, half of the footage that I originally had. So this is what I
Dre, I see you with that one guard, but you ain't cut nothing, Dre. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, so there's a finished look.
All right, it's clean.
Like I said,
It's clean. Dre, I ain't having it today. I ain't having it today. Let me see.
So this next cut, I mean, you couldn't really ask for an easier cut. It's just a 1 with a lineup. So I appreciate you. Thank you. And I hope to see you again soon.
I ain't playing no games, Dre.
As you see, you got the waves on top. We're going to clean it up and give him a nice skin fade.
You better take care of my man, Dre.
Ooh, wee. Boy dipping. You know what I'm saying? Something like, there it is.
It's a little higher on this side, Dre. I got to say that. It's a little higher on this side, Dre.
Yeah.
Was it supposed to be a low fade? Come on, Dre.
This cut here is just a 1 all over, taper the back. My man T loves his lineup, man. He don't play about the lineup, so we gotta make sure that joint is extra crisp. Like that Popeye's chicken sandwich, you know what I'm saying?
All right, Dre. Okay.
Now, for anybody who's tried that sandwich is not all this hyped up.
It really ain't.
Trash.
I tried it. It was just
better than
alright.
Chick-fil-A.
It was cool.
If he was in front of me, I probably would have slapped him. I still love you though, bro.
Dre, that curve got to be better than that, Dre.
Line up, working on the line, getting that initial line in. Then we're gonna throw in the.
Everybody got their own style. But I don't know, man. Everybody, okay. All right, okay. I spoke too soon.
That contrast with that pencil, that black ice, is something crazy. Something super.
A little too much, Dre. If you don't use the, okay. All right. I was going, okay.
With the beam team.
All right, Dre. I'm being a little hard on you, Dre. I'm being a little hard on you, Dre. You was talking all that stuff.
Boom.
You got to be able to back it up, Dre.
Pardon my back.
Dre, I see a little line in the back of that taper, Dre. You need to clean that out.
Shout out to my boy T. Keeping things light for me. Ooh.
Lineup is crispy. Lineup is crispy. I'm
There
still
it
looking for that
is.
thing in the back, though, Dre. Dre.
All right, so here's where my day starts to get a little tricky. That's my boy Matt right there. And
come on, you got to kill this one. This one, I would have put this one on YouTube all day.
Always takes me.
This one right here.
Tried so many different approaches to this haircut. Doing the top first, doing the side.
This one right here, I would have filmed this
Doesn't
all
really
day.
make a
You
difference
guys
to me.
know.
Always end up going
I would have
over.
filmed this one.
So this is where my
This
day
is
takes
that
a turn.
texture that you put on
Start running
YouTube
behind
and
and playing catch
you
up for the rest
highlight
of the
these
day.
type of textures. So if you
Nonetheless,
don't do
we'll
this
knock
right,
cut out.
Dre,
Give it all we got.
if Dre don't do this right,
Just a happy dude.
I need everybody in the comment section. Come on, Dre. I need everybody in the comment section if you don't do this right.
The most important
To
thing
hashtag, come on, Dre.
to me is that you want to make sure that when it grows back, it grows back uniform, so that way it doesn't look so crazy. It's easier to maintain.
Dre, like, man, you being way too aggressive on me.
Really makes a difference. So as you can see, after the blow dry, it's already starting to blend
You
into
being
the
a
sides.
little too aggressive.
So once we put that bald line in, all we got to do is marry it to the top.
That's real.
And there you have it. You have a nice clean cut.
I mean, we'll be the judge of that, Dre. You can't say that it's gonna be a nice clean.
There it is.
Maybe
Like
you
the shape
can.
of his
Maybe you
haircut.
can.
Shape
Maybe
is-
you can.
It's crazy.
Alright, Dre.
All right, so we're about halfway done.
Alright, Dre.
And bro, this
Everybody
this is
hashtag
stressful.
alright, Dre.
Probably the most stressful thing I've ever done. I wouldn't say that I took it lightly, because I never recorded anything before. I knew what the challenge.
So he
was
didn't
gonna
take it
entail.
lightly.
But bro, mad respect to anybody who's done.
That's what I'm talking about, Dre.
Anybody who records their haircuts, whether it be every cut, one cut, it doesn't even matter. Like, my station is a disaster.
Come on now.
My mental right now is a complete disaster. But you know, we're knocking these cuts out, man. So I'm actually grateful for this challenge, because now I can take my game to the next level, and you know, see things that the human eye couldn't see.
Next, we got
All I'm
another
saying
one on
is,
the
man,
side.
this
He
challenge
doesn't really like
ain't
you touching the top
easy.
too much. He's trying
It
to
may
grow.
appear for the naked
Just
eye to
knock
be
down the
easy.
sides, put a nice
This
clean
challenge
line on
ain't
there,
easy to
using my
record every
skeleton.
haircut.
FX, the baddest trimmers.
It's something fierce, man. It's hard. You'll get backed up. You'll get frustrated because
This
the
dude
cut
right
may
here is
not
the
have
first
came out
time
right, but you
flying,
still
man.
gotta show it. You feeling nervous about it. Now you getting judged in front of the world, Craig. Dre, some weight on that side, Dre. Dre,
there
this
it
cut,
is.
I'm gonna be honest with you, it ain't it,
Now,
Dre.
this dude here was
That
sleep
one
for
ain't
half
it,
of the
Dre.
haircut.
That one ain't it. I gotta give you,
as you can see,
I
his
gotta
hair's
tear you
super
down
long.
on that
I'm
one,
gonna
Dre.
knock it down all
Been
the way
talking
to
mad
the
crap,
side.
Dre.
And leave the length on top. blend in the beard. Didn't really.
Hey,
do
that's
any beard
clean. That's
work.
fresh.
There it is.
That's fresh.
The guys thought it was funny that he was.
Hey, that's
sleep throughout the
actually
whole
fresh,
cut.
fresh though.
I
I
didn't
like
think
that.
it
I liked how you kept that weight on the side right there.
was. First time I ever cut his hair too.
That's nice. That's nice.
This is my boy Omar. It's the last cut.
Oh, that's
cut number
you should
10.
kill this one.
Man, today has
Oh, you
taken
should murder
everything
this
out.
one. This one's a. Oh, this is
Recording
film
these
all day.
haircuts, trying to get the footage, trying to get back as far as time management.
That taper in the back though,
Exposing
Dre.
yourself with
I
what
see
the
a
cuts
line,
look
Dre.
like, and just trying
Taper in
to
the
give
back
you
could
best
use a little bit
quality.
more work too,
One
Dre.
thing
But on that other side, it's blended.
There it is. My boy Omar. Lineup is crazy.
Lineup is crispy.
Wow.
Crispy.
Lineup is-
Crispy.
That's something serious.
Crispy.
So that's it. That's every haircut
Mm.
challenge. We finally did
Thanks,
it, Jeezy.
bud.
Jeezy
He
did
did it.
Bud.
Y'all
360.
trolled him.
360.
I appreciate y'all for trolling
Peer
this
pressure's
man.
a
Yeah.
Peer pressure had me doing what I had no business doing. That was hard. That was the hardest thing I ever done.
That's what I'm talking about, Dre.
I hate you.
But y'all, for real, there it is. Haircut challenge. Shout out to Jason for calling me
Hey.
out. Shout out to my boy Fonz for calling me out. Always trying to push your boy to do better.
Yes.
Things. So there it is. So if y'all see some haircuts, you know what I'm saying, that you wanted me to run it back, show y'all how I did it, or something that y'all, you know, would have done a little differently, let me know, man. Because I'm just trying to be the best barber I can.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
So come
Hey, you
see
ain't got to
me.
prove
Headlines
nothing to
Barbershop.
nobody. Be the best
North
barber
Dallas,
you could be,
Tampa,
man.
Florida. Download the app, get your appointment, and get laced. You feel me?
You see, I ain't
true.
doing every haircut.
Holy shit, bro. Can I turn on the car first?
Why?
Because it's hot.
That's true. What's up, bud?
Waiting for
Dre look nervous.
So I was gonna make my own intro to this video.
Fonz is like, take care of it. This is your time. You do it. I'm letting you lead. Hey, he's giving credit, giving credit, giving credit. All right, you guys. That is Dre. That is Dre's every haircut challenge. And I'm not going to grade him. I'm not going to grade him. I'm not going to grade him. I'm going to let the people decide. Forget all of what I got to say. I'm going to let the people decide in the comment section below. Give him your grade, okay? Give him what you think that he deserves. Don't even worry about hurting his feelings. Don't even worry about nobody's feelings being hurt. Be harsh a little bit. You know what I mean? A person that talks, you know what I mean? You got to judge them a little bit more critical than the next man that wasn't really talking. You know what I mean? And I regret, I'm gonna throw this out there too. I regret not throwing, I regret not keeping it real about a particular person that was super cocky in this every haircut challenge. I regret not keeping it real. You know what I mean? So on this one, you guys, in the comment section below, grade Dre, man. Give him what he deserves. Okay, every bit of what he deserves. In the comment section below, I'll pin whatever grade that he got when I tally it up, and that'll be his grade. All right, he ain't gotta hear it from me. It ain't gotta come from me. What do y'all give him? All right. Hey, if you guys would, link will be in the description. Dre's channel. Help my man out. Hook it up. Follow my man Dre. Yeah, man, we're just some barbers just trying to build their name up, man, trying to get out there. And yeah, man, I'm just trying to spread this barber love. All right, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. Don't forget, keep it real with Dre. All right, keep it real. But I'm out of here. Chip.